In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review and restore page history in Confluence. First, start by opening the Confluence page you want to review. Make sure you're on the exact page where changes were made, not just the space or a parent page. Once the page is open, look to the top right corner for the three-dot icon, often labeled More Actions. This menu holds page level tools. If you don't see it, you might have limited permissions, so check with your Confluence admin or try a page you can edit. From that menu, choose Page History. This takes you to a timeline of all saved versions of the page. Here, you'll typically see version numbers, who made the change, when it was made, and any edit comments they added. Think of it as the page's audit trail. Take a moment to scan the list. Look for version numbers that jump significantly, timestamps around key project milestones, or editor notes that hint at what changed. This helps you quickly identify the version you care about. To see what actually changed in a specific version, click it. Confluence will open a comparison-style view that highlights edits, usually showing additions and deletions with clear color cues. Read through the differences carefully. Text updates are easy to spot, but remember that changes to images, macros, or attachments might appear as replaced components or updated blocks rather than line-by-line edits. If the change is subtle, use the navigation in the diff view to move between edits. If you need a broader perspective, compare versions. On the history page, pick the two versions you want to evaluate and open the comparison. This side-by-side or inline diff helps you understand how the content evolved over time. Comparing non-consecutive versions can be especially helpful if the page has gone through multiple rounds of edits and you want to jump back further. When you're confident you've found the correct content, you can restore an older version to revert the page. Choose Restore for that version. Confluence will create a brand new version that matches the selected snapshot, so you aren't deleting history. You're adding a clean current copy of that past state. Confirm the restore when prompted, and consider adding a brief edit comment explaining why you reverted, which helps teammates understand the change. After restoring, review the page to ensure everything looks right, especially embedded content or macros. That's it. You've opened the page, accessed page history, reviewed and compared versions, and restored the one you need, all without losing your edit trail.